In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare in WordPress. Before we begin, a quick overview. Cloudflare sits between your visitors and your WordPress site, handling DNS, caching, security, and performance. Disabling it means traffic will go directly to your server without Cloudflare's protection or speed enhancements. That can be exactly what you want for troubleshooting or moving services. But be aware it may affect performance, security features, and how your DNS is managed. Make sure you're doing this during a low traffic window if possible, and consider letting your team or clients know in advance. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare account. Head to Cloudflare's website and sign in so you land on your main dashboard. If you manage several sites, you'll see a list of domains here. If you don't land on the dashboard right away, look for the Home or Account section to access your domain list. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have multiple logins. Next, click on your WordPress domain. This takes you into that site's overview page inside Cloudflare. Here you'll typically see status information, DNS details, security settings, and performance features that are currently active. It's a good idea to glance over this page to remember what Cloudflare was doing for you. Things like proxying traffic, caching assets, or applying firewall rules, so you know what will change once Cloudflare is removed. Now on the right side of the overview page, look for the section labeled Advanced Actions. In that panel, click Remove from Cloudflare. When you do, Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm. Read the message carefully. Removing a domain from Cloudflare detaches it from Cloudflare's DNS, caching, and security layers. Confirm the removal to proceed. After you confirm, Cloudflare will begin the process of removing the domain. This can take a short while. During and after removal, your site's traffic will no longer pass through Cloudflare. If your domain's name servers were pointing to Cloudflare, your DNS may stop resolving until your registrar or hosting DNS is set to handle the records directly. That's normal behavior when Cloudflare is no longer managing DNS. Expect a period of DNS propagation as the change works its way across the internet. To recap, you opened your Cloudflare account, selected your WordPress domain, and used the Advanced Actions panel to remove it from Cloudflare. That's all there is to disabling Cloudflare for your WordPress site. If you need Cloudflare again later, you can always add the domain back and reapply your preferred settings.